understand the business, you have no business being in the business. That's investing. If you don't understand it, don't buy it. Don't say because I had somebody on the internet telling me to buy Tesla. No. Or telling you to buy Palantir. No. What if something changes and Blooming is not in the picture? Then you say, oh, Blooming told me to buy this. No, don't do that. Don't like only invest in companies that you're comfortable with. You understand the business. If the company drops 50%, you're still comfortable buying it. But if you cannot sleep, if the company drops 10%, don't buy. Don't
Yes.
invest it in. Or just do an index fund, S&P 500. You're good.
Yeah, if you are not smart enough to look into to spend, time,
Technicals and
monitoring.
understand that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Just do the
Mhm.
S&P 500 or the QQQ. You'll be good and stay long
Again,
time.
this is not investment advice. Again, it's you have to be smart enough to protect your money because it's your money. If you lose it,
It's your call. If
it's
you
your
make
call.
money, it's your call.